Hi everyone, thanks for watching my video. Today I want to briefly talking about my first 2 nights living in my own house. What did I feel like? And I wanted to do a briefly walking through of my house. So surprisingly, I did not have very good sleep for the first 2 nights. Especially the first night, I was almost awake. I heard some odd sound in the house and I did not know what was that. And the second night, I heard the same thing, but I actually slept a little bit, maybe because I was too tired. I tried different ways. For example, I was changing the directions of my heading. Maybe that works. I like my head was facing this way, which is to the outside the window, and I believe that is west. That is this is the south, east, north, and that's the west. I couldn't go to sleep, and then later I changed to the other side, which I did not want. I know the previous owner their head was facing this way, but because that's the kitchen and the fridge was here, I did not want to put my head so close to the fridge, so I turned this way, which is towards to the south. And eventually, probably after toasting and turning for, I don't know, until 3 o'clock, I was too tired, so I fell asleep. But that was really surprising, and I kept on hearing some very weird sound in the house. And later I realized that's probably because the wood in the house is a wood house, and due to the change of the temperature, the wood expands and shrinks. So that causes the sound. Actually, it's very surprising to me because before I was living in a three-floor house, and I can hear the sound from my left, the right, from the top, and from the bottom. Especially the footsteps so loud on top of me. I could not go to sleep until everybody goes to sleep. So that was very hard to me. I probably have too much high expectation for me to stay here for the first maybe few days. Hopefully I can get used to do it very fast. So I'm recording this video in my living room. I moved my computer and the just table in here because it's much warmer, and anyways this room has a lot of space. And this is my bed. I'm still waiting for my king size matches, and I have my fish here. I ordered a better glass tank, so I'm waiting for that too. And I bought a little electric heater, which when we turn on, it has very nice fire here. It looks like a fireplace, but actually it's not. But it's a good decoration at least. And I have a big closet here and here, which I really like. But I have too many clothes, so maybe these two are still not enough for me. So let's go to the kitchen. Let me turn on the lights. I do not have the table yet because still on the way. I still have those stuff here unpacked, waiting for my furnitures. So I really like they have those fans in the kitchen. I'm not sure whether you can really see it clearly. In the kitchen, in the living room. Here we can take a look in the living room. The fan I really like. It's beautiful, and it's kind of spacious in the kitchen. Let me turn on the lights. Probably we'll have a better visualization. Which is the light is, yeah, this way. And turn on the lights. I don't know where is this light. Okay, yeah. So it looks much better here, the kitchen, and this is the bathroom. It's okay, yeah. I may And I really like the ceiling go to the top of the roof, which will give me much better light. And we go on this way. This is the small bedroom. They have the fan here too. And I put the wire modern and the connections here. I definitely do not like the color of, it's kind of blue color, but no, I don't like this kind of color. I probably would just paint it by myself to white or light green. And okay, and here I have the washer and the dryers. Here is, it's not very nice here. Let me open the lights of the living room. They have a fan here, and yeah, I like, okay, this is outside. Oh yeah, I like, there are so many lights here. I haven't ordered any couches yet. Sofa couches. I'm still trying to figure out what type of couch that I want to order. But a good thing about it is it's a spacious place. So it gives me plenty of options for what kind of couches that I want to order. Here has a fireplace. It's actually abandoned. Not really abandoned. It's not useful anymore. I'm still thinking about how do I use it. Maybe just make it as a decoration here, or I can remove this stuff, or maybe in the future, certain time I can make a real fireplace here. Yeah, so let me just, yeah, I will come back. And yeah, that's about it. It's not like a huge house, but I'm very happy that I have my own room, my own house. I eventually do not need to deal with the landlord anymore. No need to deal with the roommates anymore. It's dark outside, so we couldn't really see the deck outside. But next time, when it's daytime, I really spent probably 6 hours talking to 3 contractors today because I want to do some renovation or remodeling in the house. And I'm going to make another video about how did I find this house and how much did I pay for this house and what's my mortgage, how did I find the lender, and how did I negotiate with the interest rate, because I got a pretty good interest rate, which is only 2.5%. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.